Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go over the Jacklyn Hill Vault Collection. I do have all 4 palettes here, and I did purchase these palettes myself. They weren't sent to me. They come in this cute little box, and we are going to now take a look at each of the palettes. The first one up is the Bling Boss, and this is one of my favorites because it has a lot of my favorite colors, a lot of purples, a lot of mauves. There's there's actually a nice little red in here. This is by far my favorite palette. The next one up is Ring the Alarm, and this one has a lot of real nice kind of fallish colors, some like burnt orange colors, browns, some dark reds. The next one is Dark Magic, and I really love this palette too, and I really like it just because of the name as well. This has a lot of greens, some blues, browns. This is a really cute palette, and you can create a lot of looks from this palette. So that is Dark Magic. The next one is Armed and Gorgeous. Now this one is another nice fall-y palette. It has some different type of orangey. It has an orange color with a little bit of yellow. There's some golds. This is a really beautiful palette as well. All right, we are going to create a look now from these palettes, and I think I'm going to go with Bling Boss today. Now, there has been some hype about these palettes not performing up to people's standards. I have had these palettes for a week, and I haven't noticed anything that I truly complain about. There are some shades that are a little more pigmented than others. I haven't noticed like fallout. I mean, there is a little powder on my palettes, but that's normal. That to me, there are some palettes are a little more powderier than others. It's just the way the product was pressed when it was made. I don't think these are bad palettes. Like I said, I've had these for a week. I've been testing out each one of them, and I have absolutely no complaints. I think the colors are gorgeous. And like I said, some are a little more pigmented than others, so you have to work at it a little more to get that color payout that you want. But other than that, these are beautifully made, and you know, hats off to you, Jaclyn. I think that you did a fabulous job with these. So we are going to start with this shade right here. This is called Hush Hush, and we're going to put that in our transition area of our eye. Now this is my favorite palette because purple is my favorite color. I love any shade of purple. I just have always been drawn to that color. I don't know what it is, but I just love purple. So that is why we're going to go into this palette today, because I just love the colors. They're so pretty. So the next color we're going to go into is going to be this color. It's Mystic. It's right here. We're gonna get that on the brush. Now look at that. Can you see how pigmented that is? I mean, I tapped it a few times, and we should be good to go. So we are taking that into the outer corner of our eye and a little bit on the lid. We're just gonna pack that in there. All right. That is looking nice. So now we are going to grab another brush, a little smaller of a brush, and we are going to dip in this reddish shade right here called Sparks. And we are going to pack this right in the corner, the little corner of our eye. So again, this is the shade Sparks, and we are packing that in the corner of our eye. Now this is one of those colors that there is a ton of pigment. We're going to take another brush and we are going to blend that out a little bit so there's no harsh lines. Okay. We are now going to take a small pencil brush and we're going to get some color under our lower lid here. And we are going to start with this color Mystic. We're going to take that and go along our lower lash. Kind of smoke that out just a little. And do it to the other eye. Okay, and then we are going to take this red color again, Sparks, and we're going to go slightly over that purple color that we just laid down. Okay. Now we are going to dip into one of these gorgeous shimmer shades. I think we are going to go with this Bling Bling color right here. And I'm actually going to take my finger, something I normally don't do. I usually take a brush, I spritz it with some Fix Plus, and then I tap it on my eye. But I'm telling you guys, all you gotta do is do this, tap it on your eye, and you are going to have some sparkle. It is so cool. I love, love, love these colors. Just tap it on your eye. There you go. Look at that. You guys see all that sparkle? And that is just by taking my finger and tapping it onto my eyelid. Crazy. as even as possible. And I'm actually going to take a little brush and get the inner corners of my eye as well with this shimmery color. And I'm going to go slightly into the lower lid, the inner corner of the lower lid, so that we add a little bit of shimmer down there as well. So it kind of all looks like it's just flowing nicely. Okay. So now we are going to go in with eyeliner, mascara, and lashes, and I'm actually going to do that off camera, and I'll be right back for the finished look. Okay, welcome back. I have completed the look with lashes and some mascara and liner, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button and that little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of all of my future videos. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye.